Okay, so in order to put your replacement cartridge into your pin, you're going to pull off the tip. Should be super easy. Otherwise you may need a tool, but be careful because the metal is very soft. You don't want to indent it. Then you're going to stick the cartridge in, and as you can see right now, it doesn't go very far. So what we're going to do is we are going to twist the bottom, and it should go and then you're just going to put it back in. And sometimes they have these little tips, I don't know if you can see that or not, and you just remove it and check to make sure that the pin works. And it works. Let me know if you have any other questions or need any more help.